Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Alberton is a small town in western Prince Edward Island, located in Prince County near the shores of Cascampeck Bay. With a population of about 1,300 people, it serves as a commercial and service center for many nearby rural communities. Although it is a small town, Alberton offers schools, health services, shops, restaurants, and businesses that support residents across the surrounding region. The area was originally home to the Mi'kmaq, who lived throughout Prince Edward Island for thousands of years before European settlement. During the early 1800s, settlers arrived to farm the fertile land and establish businesses along the growing transportation routes. The community became known as Alberton, in honor of Prince Albert, the husband of Queen Victoria, and gradually developed into one of Western Prince Edward Island's most important local centers. Agriculture has always been one of the foundations of the local economy. The rich red soil surrounding Alberton produces excellent potato crops, along with grain, hay, and other agricultural products. Dairy farms and beef operations also contribute to the region's economy. Modern farming equipment has increased productivity, but agriculture remains a family tradition for many residents whose farms have been passed down through several generations. The nearby waters of Cascampeck Bay have also played an important role in the area's development. Commercial fishing supports many local families, with lobster being the most valuable catch. Fishers also harvest oysters, mussels, and other seafood depending on the season. Processing plants, transportation companies, equipment suppliers, and marine repair businesses all benefit from the fishing industry, making it one of the region's largest employers. Housing in Alberton remains relatively affordable compared with larger Canadian cities. In recent years, the average price of a home has generally ranged between $300,000 and $390,000, although prices vary depending on size, location, age, and proximity to the waterfront. This affordability has attracted retirees, young families, and people looking for a smaller community with access to essential services. Today, Alberton offers visitors and residents a combination of history, natural beauty, and community spirit. Its working farms, active fishing industry, and local businesses reflect many of the qualities that have made Prince Edward Island well known across Canada. Even as the town continues to evolve, it remains proud of the traditions and industries that have shaped it for more than 2 centuries.
Thanks for watching!